library can act as a key role to strengthen these and to provide these e-resources to their stakeholders. So it paved the way to formation of SERA in as part of National Agriculture Innovative Project in the year 2008 under ICAR NIP project, which headquarters at IRA New Delhi. So the SERA service is being provided to nearly 172 institutions, which includes SAUs, ICAR institutes, and all. So these are the main objectives of SERA to develop the existing R&D information resource base of ICAR institutes and agricultural universities. So these are the prime features available in SERA, like we can access it IP-based, user ID and password through remote login also we can access. Then we can download abstract, full text and citations. As I told, we can request the articles, and we can also send the DDR document delivery request through this SERA platform. So this is the homepage of SERA consortium, where this is PJTSAU's login page, wherein you can see a lot of features like all, consortia, my library, my favorite, basic search, browse, A to Z, author finder, advanced search, search history. So these are all these are features. Each individual feature has its own merits. Like when you select all, it's for example, this is 𝐁𝐾𝐑. Many will get doubt that why this 𝐁𝐾𝐑 is appear here since it is SERA. So actually, the 𝐁𝐾𝐑 is Journal Gate Consortium, which also publishes many articles like in different fields like agriculture and biological sciences and economics, medical sciences, and nearly 7 databases we have from informatics, 𝐁𝐾𝐑. So we are also procuring this 𝐁𝐾𝐑 agricultural biological sciences as part of the SERA, through which we can get nearly 2000 open access journals. Those open access journals are also integrated to the SERA consortia journals. So that is the important feature of this 𝐁𝐾𝐑 as well as. So combinedly, if you want to access combined 𝐁𝐾𝐑 as well as SERA, then we have to select this all. Then it displays all the journals. Okay. No, I don't want to use all the open access journals. I want to use only consortia. Then we can select this consortium so that it displays only 2600 some more journals, right? So we can perform search. Then here my library. So each individual library, as I shown you in previous slide, 172 libraries are participating. So whenever we become a member in SERA, we should upload all our journal holdings to this portal. So we should give one Excel sheet, what are the journals we have, so that they will upload to my library. So in library, as and when a user searches for any article through its journal, if that particular journal not subscribing by SERA, they will show this institute name. Okay, so that we can request the article through this platform. To do this, we should have each individual should have one account in this 𝐁𝐾𝐑, okay, or SERA, through which here we can set out of these 4,800 journals, we can set some of the journals. For example, I am interested only in horticulture, not 4,600. So just type this horticulture and just click on the star symbol. So what are the journals that are of your interest? All those journals will be added to your personal. So that is one of the important feature of this my favorite. And as and when any information is updated with that particular journal, you will get RSS feeds or you will get alerts to your registered email ID. So the next one is we have basic search feature in SERA, like Google. In Google, we are searching many with keyword or phrases in Google. Like that, we can also use this basic search facility, and we can enter some keywords or phrase here, and it also gives you some help, some pre-indexed words, as and when you type like suggested words, so you can also select from those words and you can make search. Then we have browse A to Z, like I don't know what are the journals that are available in SERA. So just click on this browse A to Z, all the journals are listed as per alphabet wise A to Z, so that you can select any journal and you can see from which year to which year that particular articles are available, and click on that journal so that it shows you whether you can access full text or you can access up to abstract level only, or that particular journal is available through any my library, or that particular journal is available out of agricultural universities. They have also integrated other libraries, just bibliographical data to this. Then author finder, you can through author also you can find the information. Then advanced search, you can combination like if you know some keywords and if you know some author details, you know some exact year, so that you can combine all those different key terms and you can perform advanced search. Then search history, if you log in through your personal account, you can use search history in your personal account. Then view mark the results, like for example, after login to my account, I have did some for 1 hour I spent on Sera, so I did some quality searches. So as of sudden I got some other work, I logged out and I went out. So the next time when you log in again to this Sera, you can view all your marked results in your personal account. So that is the beauty, so that you can avoid lot of time. You can save the time using these kind of features. And we have some of the filtering mechanisms, like you can also search by selecting on these broad subject headings. Okay, so this, for example, here I have selected consortia, then browse A to Z. So all the journals, like I mentioned 2600 some odd, 33 journals are presently available in Sera consortium. Okay, which include all like agriculture, veterinary and horticulture, and some of the social sciences journals are also there. So these are journals. So here we can apply some filters, like only I want to view Indian journals, only I want to see open access journals, only I want to view peer reviewed or scholarly. Just select this. All these filters will automatically applies, and you will only get that particular content. Then I want to browse only the journals which are having SJR, H-index and oscillating wise, and browse by subject wise, also browse by country wise also. There are so many features are available in Sera consortium. Here all, then A to Z, it displayed 4857. So nearly 2200 journals are we can access through this JGET consortium. But for this the institute needs to pay some amount, up to, it may cost up to 1 lakh rupees to integrate JGET open access journals with this Sera. So this is, as I told you, we should have one separate account to access this JGET, and you can also save your searches. You can also set your my favorite journal to set this my favorite account in Sera. So we should create one new account. Nearly 10 to 12 fields are basic fields are there, so that if you can fill all those fields with related information, and you will get one link. You can activate your account by clicking on that link. So these are those fields the user should fill. So this is up to Sera. In Sera, this is a main database or consortium for agricultural scientists or agricultural faculty, agricultural research scholars, wherein they can collect authentic or authoritative articles, wherein if you search in Google, it will pop up you for pay $35, pay $45. But wherein if you are if you access it through Sera, if that particular is available through Sera, we can access it at free of cost. Okay, if any article which is not available to a particular university, we can request some of the articles from prominent institutes like IARA, TNAU, TANVAS, USB, UHS, like that, right? Then we have KrishiKosh. As you know, KrishiKosh is one of the institutional repository under NES. The next speaker will going to deal with it Indeed. Then we have one Krishi portal we have in for agricultural stakeholders, like it's a system of hub for innovations, is an 𝐈𝐶𝐻 initiative to bring its knowledge resources to all stakeholders at one place. So the portal is being developed as a centralized data system of 𝐈𝐂𝐻 consisting of technology, data generated through experiments, surveys, observational studies, geospatial line. So this is the portal, Krishi portal, agriculture knowledge resource and information system for innovations, right? In this portal, we can find experimental data repository, 𝐈𝐶𝐻 geo portal, observational repository, publication repository, survey. So all these data can be accessed through a single platform, right? Again, we can also have access to equipment network projects, bioinformation resource, like that. So through KVKs, so mobile app gallery, it has interporter harvester and ZRSS information it have. Okay. So again, this is as part of Krishi portal, 𝐈𝐶𝐻 IPR is repository. So what are the technologies that have IPR as part of 𝐈𝐶𝐻? We can get to know from this portal. Okay, this is again IPR as part of IPR, and patents, copyright, variety registration. We can find those details in Krishi portal. So, and mobile app gallery. So what are the mobile apps available for entire agriculture system, like in veterinary, horticulture, agriculture? We can get to know from here. So this is agricultural information portal. Again, this is one of the important portal for agriculture stakeholders, wherein they can collect variety of information like project funding agencies and different market portals, soil health record information system. So this is the maintained by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. So the extension digest is the publication of Manage. It is in Rajanagar campus, wherein they have published one exclusive issue of their extension digest journal. So in 2017 they have published on mobile apps empowering farmers. So this is one of the important publication, I can say, wherein they have given all the brief overview of all the apps which are useful for farmers as well as researchers. Okay, so we can if we can type mobile apps empowering farmers in Google, you can also download this entire issue, so that we can get to know what are the important applications that we can use for our study purpose, as well as we can suggest to farmers for getting related information. So this is about that mobile application. Again, these are the different apps we have in 𝐈𝐂𝐻. So in 𝐈𝐶𝐻 portal, through 𝐈𝐶𝐻 portal also we can get these ebooks, like whatever reports or repositories they have converted those repositories into digital form. They have uploaded in 𝐈𝐶𝐻 main portal. Through here also we can get some important authoritative reports. And through NIP project, 𝐴𝐁𝐺𝑅-AU is NDRI and 𝐴𝐁𝐺𝑅-AU, NDRI, and some of the 2-3 universities have collaboratively developed some e-courses in agriculture and veterinary. So those courses can also be accessed through this e-courses online.iasri.res.in. But this portal is not being well maintained now. So the project is ended in 2013, I think. But if we can request this IASRI people or director or concerned people, they will provide login ID and password, so that we can, as a faculty, we can use some of these important lectures or chapters we can download. Every year, the education division of ICR is giving conducting capacity building programs, through which it is one of the mandate that after completing of that course, whatever lectures they have presented during that 21 days, 10 days or 1 week, they should upload the contents, or they should upload the presentations whether in Word format or PPT format to this portal. So all the portals in during COVID, they have developed this one. So through this nearly 700 ebooks, we can say, we can download. Ebooks means for a single program. For example, we have as part of our library, we have conducted 2 programs, short course as well as 21 winter course. Those material we can find here. So likewise, all over India, what are the materials in CAF, whether it is CAF or as part of university, every year they are conducting nearly 50 to 60 programs. Okay, all those presentations we can see. Okay, if we may miss so many programs, okay, due to some work pressure or so, we may not attend many programs, but what are the presentations, what are the important resource person, what they have delivered during those course time, we can get to know from this cbp.icar.go.in portal. So this is the main homepage of this portal. So if you click on this ebooks, so this will subject area and training title will pop up. So we have to select one, then it opens like this. Okay, CAF recent developments in off-season production of commercial